In an emergency situation, remain calm. Call 112 and wait for the emergency services. Always follow instructions and safety precautions. Remain calm in emergency situations and call 112. If in doubt, consult the helpful lifeguard team members. If in danger, don't fight any type of current. Rescue teams will help you. This is a message from the Canary Islands government. The Canary Islands waters. Safety first.
112, emergencias, dígame.